This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, January 7th. Stock index futures coming under a little pressure earlier today. However, a bit of a bounce off of those lows with the ISM non-manufacturing report coming in stronger than expected. Right now it looks like stock index futures are fairly evenly balanced between the bearish influence of geopolitical issues and the bullish influence of lower interest rates, or I should say at least a still low interest rate environment. Also, I do think that January will be an up month for stock index futures. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index a little bit higher. Looks like we had some trade numbers for the U.S. Somewhat supportive. The commodity currencies, the Canadian dollar and the Australian dollar, both a little bit lower as crude oil under a little pressure. But longer term, I do believe that the industrial commodities will trend higher as they have in the last month or so. Also, it appears that it's the crude oil that may be the leader, with the added boost of geopolitical issues supporting that market. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, still not much to do there. Central banks around the world likely to not be as aggressive in easing credit this year as they were last year. However, still thinking higher for the industrial commodities. That would be the copper, crude oil, and lumber. Also, the precious metals higher today. Yesterday we did have a gap higher in the gold market, and I think this is a continuation gap and not an exhaustion gap. That would suggest higher prices longer term for the precious metals. So any breaks there should be used as buying opportunities. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.